Hey there, in this video we're going to be talking about how to find the median of a set of data. Really easy, just got to remember a couple of steps. First things, we have our problem on the board right here. We have Carlos recorded how many pop cans his family recycled each day over the course of 1 week, and he kept track of some information right here. He had 5 on Sunday, 7 on Monday, 2 on Tuesday, 3 on Wednesday, 2 on Thursday, 4 on Friday, and 6 cans that were recycled on Saturday. So he wants to find the median of his range of data right here. When we find things like median in a set of data, the first absolute thing you want to do all of the time is put your data in order from least to greatest. And all you have to do with this is just rewrite it. When I rewrite my data, I cross off the original set as I go. You do not have to do this, but I highly recommend it because it helps you keep track of the numbers as you work, so you don't lose track of a number, because then it would throw your entire data off and your information that you're looking for. All right, and then I have a 7. I'm going to double check to make sure I have all of my numbers. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up at the top, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 down below. Looks good. All a median is it's just the middle. Median is the middle. So here, to find the median, I'm going to start on the outsides of my data set and work my way in. Now when I do this, you can either take a highlighter and cross off numbers, you can use a different color. Sometimes people like to slash through them opposite ways. You can certainly do that. I kind of just like to check underneath the opposite way as I go. This means I'm not crossing over my numbers because I use my data for other things like mode and means sometimes. So I just work my way into the middle until I get my middle number. Notice that there's just one number left. So in this data set, 4 would be the median. In our next example, Omar collected data on the number of pencils he found on the classroom floor at the end of each day. He did this for 10 days. Let's go ahead and find the median. We have our data set down here, all of these lonely pencils, and it's not in order, so the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and put this in order. Take your time doing this because especially when you have a lot of information, it's hard to easily skip over numbers. And you want to make sure you get everything. So next thing I'm looking for, I have some 12s. I have another 12. I have a 13 and a 14 and a 17. A lot of lonely pencils. Slide that over so you can see it. All right, that's a 17 down there. Let's make sure we have all of our numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 down below, and we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up above. We're good to go. Everything is in order. We have our numbers. Remember that all the median is it is the middle number. So we're going to start our way from the outside, your choice of how you want to cross things off. Here we go. That's going. Sometimes I like to make a noise when I do it, like That might be annoying, but I'm going to stop anyway because look now. I can't do this because there's no other number there. So I have a problem. And I have 2 numbers left, but I have to just have 1 number. So if you ever come into the situations where you have 2 numbers that are left to figure out your median, what you have to do is add them together and then divide by 2. So we're going to take 9 and 12, and we're going to add them together. And we know that 9 plus 12 is equal to 21. And then we're going to divide 21 by 2. 21 divided by 2. So my actual median for this data set is 10 and 1/2.